Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how do you make a contemporary garden. What is contemporary gardening? A modern or contemporary garden is characterized by a sleek, streamlined and sophisticated style. Generally, a modern garden places more focus on the architecture and materials than on the plants and greenery. Contemporary garden design is described as eclectic and composed of a hodgepodge of oddly complementary items. This design tactic allows for unique freedom and expression in the landscape. Modern contemporary garden ideas can help you imprint your style in the exterior home environment. Contemporary gardens come in a wide variety, including indoor gardens, water gardens, and vertical gardens, to name a few. What are 3 characteristics of a contemporary design style? Contemporary design refers to the current and popular designs of the moment. Hallmarks of this design style include clean, curved lines, natural materials, stark contrasts, cool tones, and of course attention to quality. Now, how do you make a contemporary garden? Just take a look at our garden design ideas below. There's sure to be something that'll catch your eye. Be bold with shapes. Use a modern pond to divide zones. Try a soothing color palette. Split your garden into levels. Create an indoor-outdoor flow. Choose contemporary flooring. Experiment with interesting styles. In addition to the above factors, use these tips to add charm. Plant shrubs, vines and flowers for birds, to give them a place to make nests and raise their young. Add a flowering fruit tree or shrub. Grow some plants for fragrance. Add flowers or flowering plants. Control weeds. Group plants around a theme. Add some garden art. Use colorful pots or feature containers. Use multifunctional edible herbs and flowers. Create unity and diversity. Choose a feature. There you have it. If you think this presentation is valuable and inspired to you, please subscribe, share and like. Don't forget to click the notification bell for the next valuable design inspiration presentation. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and click the notification bell for the next educational video.